In this video, we will implement linear search algorithm in JavaScript. First of all, we will understand linear search. Linear search is also called as sequential search because in this algorithm, element is searched sequentially within an array until target element is found. Sequentially refers to something that happens or is arranged in a sequence or a specific order, one after another. First step is function declaration. Let's declare a function called linear search. It will take two parameters. First parameter is an array and second parameter is a target element. Here we will represent array with ARR and target element is that element which is needed to search within the array. And we can name the function whatever we like to name it. But with the function name linear search, we can understand that this function is about linear search algorithm. Second step is using the for loop. After function declaration, we will use for loop for iteration. The syntax of for loop is for simple bracket open. First thing is initialization semicolon. Second thing is condition semicolon. And third thing, which is the last thing, is iteration. Simple bracket closed. After that, curly braces. Here for loop is used to iterate through the elements of an array starting from the first element. First element means element at index 0 and continuing until it reaches the end of the array, that is arr.length. Let's implement for loop. Here we are initializing a loop variable I and setting its initial value to 0. We will write condition which is I less than arr.length. The loop will continue executing as long as I is less than the length of the array. Third thing is iteration, which we will represent with I++. I++ increments the loop variable I by 1 after each iteration. It ensures that loop progresses to the next element. Step 3 is to use conditional statement if. And if statement will check whether the current element ARRI is equal to the target element. So we will write if ARRI 3 times equal to sign target, then curly braces. Here ARRI represents the value of the element at index I in array ARR. If the condition ARRI equal to target is true, then we will return index of the element. So we will write return I. And if condition ARRI equal to target is not true, then we will return -1. -1 is an indicator which represents that element is not found in the array. So we will write return -1. Let's take an example. We consider an array to understand linear search algorithm. This array will be a variable, so we will write const array. And we will assume the elements of array as 5, 3, 8, 1, 9 and 4. After this, we will choose one target element from the given array. Let the target element be 8. Again, we can name variable name anything we want. And we will write variable name target element in camel case. So we will write const target element equal to 8. Here, we will introduce a new variable result which will store the value of linear search, and we will pass two arguments to this linear search function. First argument is an array and second argument is target element. So we will write const result equal to linear search. After that, within simple bracket, first element array, comma second element target element. Now we will use conditional statement if else to check whether the target element value is found or not. If results value is not equal to -1, then if block will execute, then we will write if result does not equal to -1. For writing does not equal to sign in JavaScript, first we write one time not sign, then after that we write 2 times equal to sign. We will write console.log to print a message indicating that target element is found in the array using string interpolation. For string interpolation, first we will write backtick, then after that we will write message element, then dollar symbol, then curly braces, then target element, then curly braces closed, and after that we will write found at index, again dollar symbol, then curly braces, after that result. And second condition is, if result is -1, then else block will execute. In else block also we want to print the message. So for printing the message we will use string interpolation again. So for string interpolation we will follow the same steps. First, for interpolation, string interpolation, first we will write message, then element, then dollar symbol, then curly braces, then target element, curly braces closed, then we will write not found in the array. Now we will save the file, and for running this file we will open new terminal and we will type the command node and file name. File name is algo2.js and we will press enter, and we can see that element 8 is found at index 2. So our linear search algorithm is successfully working.